Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions by comparing products like it's a showdown in a robot wrestling ring. Today, we've got two heavyweight contenders in the world of robot vacuums, the Roborock Q7 Max and the ROPVACNIC S1. So, grab your popcorn, sit back, and let's see which of these mechanical minions deserves your hard-earned cash. First up, let's talk about the price. The Roborock Q7 Max comes in at a whopping $599. That's right, folks, you could either buy this robot vacuum or, a small island in the Pacific. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC S1 is priced at a more wallet-friendly $299. So if you're looking to save some bucks, the ROPVACNIC might be your new best friend. But remember, folks, sometimes you get what you pay for. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty. Suction power. The Roborock Q7 Max boasts a mind-blowing 4,200 pascals of suction. It's like the vacuum equivalent of a black hole. Say goodbye to debris, pet hair, and maybe even your carpet. The ROPVACNIC S1 isn't far behind with 4,000 pascals, which is still pretty impressive. It's like comparing a vacuum cleaner to a Dyson in beast mode. Both are powerful, but the Q7 Max just edges out with that extra oomph. Both of these bad boys can mop, but let's see who does it better. The Roborock Q7 Max can vacuum and mop simultaneously, and with 30 water flow levels, it's like having a butler with OCD. You can fine-tune it to match your floor types and preferences. The ROPVACNIC S1 also boasts a 2-in-1 mopping and vacuuming feature with a 4-stage water adjustment system. It's like a Swiss Army knife, but for your floors. However, with its advanced electronically controlled mopping technology, the ROPVACNIC S1 might just have the edge here. Next, let's talk about how these bots find their way around your home. The Roborock Q7 Max uses PreciSense LiDAR navigation, which is so accurate it could probably map out the Milky Way. You can even view it in 3D and add furnishings and flooring materials virtually. It's like playing The Sims, but with a vacuum. The ROPVACNIC S1, however, isn't slacking off. It has a comprehensive intelligent control system, multiple cleaning modes, and it even listens to voice commands. Yes, you can tell it to clean while you lounge on the couch, sipping your margarita. Alexa, make my floors sparkle. When it comes to cleaning efficiency, the Roborock Q7 Max features a multi-directional floating all-rubber brush, which resists hair tangles and gets closer to the floor for deeper cleaning. It's like the vacuum equivalent of a ninja. Silent, efficient, and deadly to dirt. The ROPVACNIC S1, on the other hand, has a 3-point cleaning system and dual rotating electric side brushes. It's engineered for pet owners, which means no more tangled pet hair. It's like having a personal pet hair assassin on duty 24/7. Lastly, let's talk battery life. The Roborock Q7 Max can run for up to 180 minutes on a single charge, covering a maximum area of 3,229 square feet. It's like the marathon runner of robot vacuums. Meanwhile, the ROPVACNIC S1 is equipped with a self-recharge feature, so it'll return to its charging dock when it's low on juice. This means you'll always come home to a clean house, no matter how long your day was. It's like having a Roomba with a PhD in time management. Reviewers have a lot to say about both of these robot vacuums. The Roborock Q7 Max is praised for its mapping capabilities, strong suction power, and efficient cleaning performance. However, some minor drawbacks like a small dustbin and water reservoir are noted. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC S1 is loved for its impressive dirt pickup capabilities, customizable cleaning routines, and pet-friendly design. It's also noted for its affordability and ease of use. So there you have it, folks. The Roborock Q7 Max is a powerful, feature-rich vacuum that's perfect for those who want the best of the best and don't mind splurging a bit. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC S1 offers great value for money, packed with smart features and pet-friendly design, making it a fantastic choice for budget-conscious shoppers. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Product links are in the description.